Okay guys, this is how you're gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. So I solve this Rubik's Cube right here. So just do it like this. Just like that, guys. So you know, I'm supposed to have done that. So look at my camera. This is what I'm going to do the opening to, which is 2001 divided 50. Oh yeah. Here's the front. There's the side, or the spine, as you can call it. And the back. There's the disc. So this is what I'm going to be doing the opening to. I already did this on my double feature, do the openings. So yeah. Try that on my DVD player right there. Trying to do the opening to the big screen, I think. I don't know, but yeah, it's the front. Yeah. It's a pretty cool cover. It's pretty cool. Anyways, this is what I'm going to do the opening to, guys. So keep my poster vault. Did this Rubik's Cube in 1 second. So see you guys later.